Hi, I'm Brendan O'Callaghan, and I have the honour to lead the Global Manufacturing and Supply Organisation for Sanofi. At Sanofi, we're not just chasing the miracles of science, we're turning them into reality for patients, shaping the future of global healthcare. Within manufacturing and supply, our global teams are the bridge from groundbreaking science in our R&D laboratories to life-changing treatments for patients. Our daily purpose is to reliably supply high-quality medicines and vaccines, helping people worldwide live better lives. We supply 5 billion doses of medicines and vaccines annually, bringing hope to patients and families. And in the next 5 years, we're accelerating our impact. Our dedication extends beyond healthcare with a commitment to a healthier planet. Through our Planet Care program, we're minimizing the environmental impacts of our operations and striving to achieve net zero emissions by 2045. To fulfill this mission, we're building a sustainable manufacturing network, simplifying processes, setting standards in innovation, and investing in cutting-edge technologies, including AI and generative AI, where we aim to be the first global biopharma to use this at scale. Crucially, we're investing in our people, fostering a forward-looking mindset, embracing diversity, and providing growth opportunities within a culture where every Sanofian can explore more, chase change, and do right. Whether you're a technician, digital expert, scientist, or starting your career, at Sanofi, every role converges around a shared purpose: to chase the miracles of science, to improve people's lives. If this is a purpose that resonates with you, who knows, we might meet in one of our global locations soon. Thank you for listening.